going. Normally she pretends to ignore him.
Aww.
And he does his best to catch her attention. Singing, present, but nothing's going on. But also she knows she's handsome because she keeps on dancing without looking to him.
Oh, so she dances too?
She dances too, to call his attention, to make it more interesting.
So they keep the same mate for the whole season?
Just for the season, the same partner. Yes. And then they will get a new love at the same season. It is a good thing that they found a new partner because we have a good gene, pool, nice diversity between them. We can compare the pupils, how her pupil is bigger than him, and his pupil, and how she's bigger in body size. So she likes him at this point.
As soon as he's paid for supper, she's going to duck.
Oh, that's sweet.